Hello and welcome to a tutorial on the Istation Classroom Summary Report. This report provides data from the student's most recently taken assessment and their personalized instructional path. Students are organized in this report by their instructional tier. You can utilize this report for a variety of instructional purposes, such as identifying skill strengths, weaknesses, and sort students for small group instruction. Critical intervention students will be highlighted in orange. These students have scored within the 10th percentile level or below on their latest assessment. Below you'll see a snapshot of student assessment and usage data such as their overall ability score, a percentile rank comparative to other students in a nationwide normative sample. In Istation reading, you'll see a Lexile level that is based on a student's comprehension subtest. You'll also see a grade level equivalency, the cumulative usage, and their current cycle. If you'd like more information about cycles, you can click the Toolbox tab at the top of your home page and then click Cycle Descriptions. On the right-hand side of this report, you'll find performance results from the Istation instructional activities as well as the ISIP assessment. You can hover over each symbol for a quick definition or click the View Legend to view them all at once. Editing the report will allow you to change the target areas. Saving the report will allow for instant access from your home page. You can also print it for your data binder. A link for this report can be found in your classroom homepage, so you can easily access it as needed for instructional purposes. Thanks for tuning in.